Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, after a long break from vlogging, I'm finally here picking up my camera again. Today wasn't something I had planned to film, but it turned out to be a memorable day. So, today on World Environment Day, our institute organized a small seminar and we were gifted saplings. I brought mine home and planted it here. Hopefully, it will grow well in the coming years. Earlier that day, I attended my classes as usual. Later, our teachers called us to the seminar room for a World Environment Day program. Some students were invited to share a few words, and I was one of them. After the program, my friend and I went out for a little shopping. I forgot to record while shopping, but I did manage to film what we ate. First of all, I bought this flower pots, which cost rupees 20 each. This is the first design and this is the second. I like this one more. Then for sheet, um, this cost me 50 rupees where I got 80 papers. Then comes lots and lots of hair clips. So these two hair clips cost 79 rupees. This one is from Smart Bazaar and this from Zudio. Then a set of these, which cost me rupees 20. Then comes this. This is quite pretty and I forgot the price, but it was something like 30 or 40. I don't remember exactly. After which comes these bangles, which cost rupees 20 each. So 20 in this 4 and it cost me 80 rupees. Then comes this bangle, which cost me 150 rupees. And comes these two cute clutcher, which cost rupees 20 each, so 40 rupees. After which comes this ribbon, which also costs something like 20 or 30, I don't remember. After which comes this kajal. I don't know if it's good or not, but I'll try it out, and yes, it costs 20 rupees. Then I also bought this screwdriver because I need this a lot, and it cost me 10 rupees. After which I bought this stitch marker and this buttons. I think both of these cost 10 each. Then comes this, I don't know the name, but I bought this because I use a lot of oils. So I think it will reduce the amount of oil I used. And then comes this one. I think we should hang this in wall to hang clothes. Then comes safety pin, which I need a lot. Then comes this fact strips. I have never used this in my life, but for the first time I'll be using this. So last is this tape, which cost me 30 rupees. And yes, that's it for today's vlog. See you soon in the next one. Bye.